Okay, so remember that song I taught you?
Yeah.
We're going to teach them how he remembers multiplication. Let's start with 0. Let's get started. 3, 2, 1. 8 times 0 is
0.
And the only way he remembers that is very, very simple. Let's say it was 55,000 times 0. It would equal 0 because any times 0 is 0. Now let's go to 8 times 1. It is 8. That is correct. And how does he remember? He remembers it like this. 8 times 1. Anything times 1 is 8. If it was 1,000 times 1, it would be 1,000, not 1,001. That's wrong. Now let's go to 8 times 2 is 16. 16? Good job. Let's keep rocking and rolling. And you know how he knows that? Because let's say it was 15 times 15 times 2. That equals 16. Not 15 times 2, but 8 times 2 equals 16. If it's 15 times 2, it would equal 30. Because anything times 2 is 15 plus 15. For an example. Now let's move on. Let's go to 8 times 3 is 24. 24 is an easy one to remember. You can't really do anything to think about that. Just need to know your digits and your multiples. So 8 times 3 is 8 times 3
is 24.
And he just memorized that. So that's how it works. Now let's go to 8 times 4 is 32. And the reason he remembers that, he just remembers that one has 2. Woo! It's pretty easy to memorize if you do so. 8, 16, 24, 32. Can't spoil the next one for you. Can't. 8 times 5 is 40. Good job, dude. Good job. Good job. He has memorized all this stuff. Because 8 times 4 is easy. You do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So it would be like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, who cares? Okay. Sit back down in your chair right now, little missy. Now let's move on. What is 8 times 6? It is
48.
Good job, and you just added 8 more, so that's pretty simple. Now let's just move on to the next one. 8 times 7 is
56.
And you know how we remember that? We do 8, 7, 6, 5, and I'll prove it to you. So let's say, you see on this math card, 8, 7, you do 6, 5. Easy to do. Okay, now let's keep moving on. Woo! What is 8 times 8? Wait, no. Did we skip one?
No.
Oh yeah, we didn't. 8 times 8 is
64.
64 is right, and I'll tell you how he remembers that. He does. It fell on the floor, picked it up, it was 64. Let's go. Let's roll on to the next one. 8 times 10 is
72.
8 times 10.
Ow!
Ow.
Ow, you're not.
He needs to remember his math facts better.
Ow!
8 times 10 is 80. And that's an easy one to remember.
I knew that. I thought we were doing 8 times 9.
You did that one, I think. Okay, who cares? Oh wait, we didn't do 8 times 9. Who cares?
Yeah.
So 8 times 9, you just do this. So I'll show it on your way. So you bring down the 8, and then it's 72. Easy. Okay, 8 times 10 is
8 times 10 is 80.
And we remember that because like anything times 10 is just the number twice. 11 times 8 is
88.
Good job, dude. 8 times 11 is super easy because anything times 11, so if it's like 11 times 5, it'd be 55. It's just double the numbers. Now 8 times 12 is
36.
woo! He knows up to is 12. He knows up to is 12, and that one you just have to memorize. Woo!
He knows